Hey guys, I'm going to get on here and do a quick DIY project. It's really easy actually. I purchased these Easter baskets from the Dollar Tree a couple of weeks ago and excuse me, I told y'all that I was going to do a DIY. I got two pink ones, two for my daughter and the blue one for my little one, my little boy. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to print and cut cut their names on the Cricut. And I have IronOn material, so I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all what and how I do it. So first you're going to need these cloth bags, anything with cloth. I'm sure you can do plastic, but then you have to use just regular vinyl. So I have 3 of these that I'm going to be using. You're going to need a Cricut machine, which is back here, my laptop, and then I have my paper, my IronOn vinyl, which is, I'm going to do purple and blue. Not sure if you can see the difference in the colors. And also I have my iron heating up because it's super easy and super quick. Let's get started. This one, it's not straight, but it will do. The first thing you do is you get on your Cricut site. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go ahead and open up your Cricut machine. Home. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and click on New Project. And for me, I just go in there and type the names. I do all 3, and then I decide what font I want them to be. Hoping you can see this. And I also measure how big I want it to be. So for this, I want it to kind of, let's see, kind of be like in the middle where the eyes meet. So I want to measure it like this. I'm going to say 4 inches by 1.5. So that's how I determine what size I want them to be. So first I'm going to go ahead and do the font. There was a font that I found, marker felt, that's what it was. So it went ahead and changed it. So now what I'm going to do is just put her name in the corner. And like I said, I wanted it to be 4 inches by 1.5. So you just unlock and go to 4.5. Then I'm going to move this one to the side and go to the next name, which you just type in marker felt. And it brings that name up. Then you unlock it, go to 4.5, like so. And you're just gonna go until you're complete with all the names. I went ahead and just changed the colors just so I can know the different colors that I'm gonna be using. So let's see. So first is gonna be the blue one. And my boards are really, they're not sticky. So what I'm gonna do, so because it's IronOn, you're gonna flip it into mirror. So you're gonna select the mirror button and you're just gonna go ahead and put your material right on the edge where it needs to be. And for me, I have tons of washi and it's perfect for taping these sides of these, just because I have to clean my mats and get them sticky. Next, move these to the side, zoom in where my machine is, right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert this into the Cricut. Hit OK, hit continue on your laptop, and then it'll give you a choice to set the material. And I'm going to do IronOn. And you just wait for it to start blinking. Okay, now it's set on IronOn. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit the arrow to insert the material. Warped. But I went ahead and inserted it. Now the Cricut is asking me to hit go, which means it's going to start cutting. Okay, so now that's cut. I'm going to go ahead and back it out. I'm not sure if you can see that. So what I do, take these pieces of tape off, put them to the side because I'm probably going to reuse them. Then I just cut it out. I put that to the side. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the girls' names. Okay, so now I cut all of these out. So now I'm just gonna get my little pick from my machine. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean these up. So now I'm gonna start with this one, and I just pull the edge up and then slowly take the excess off. So now my iron is heated up. The next thing I'm gonna do is, it's pretty lightweight, so you can bend it. So, and I'm gonna line one of the names up. This one's the pink one, so I'm gonna use purple. Not sure if you see that. Try and line it up as best as possible. Push that down. I think that looks good. I don't know why I didn't cut those off. There we go. Okay, so now that that's there, I just wanted to try that out. So first I'm going to go ahead and heat this up. This part here, just to get it warm. Okay. Now I'm gonna put her name right there. I'm gonna just press this down slowly. I've considered getting a heat press, but I don't use it enough to make it worth it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could see if I made shirts for a business or something, or did this for a business, but I don't. I do all of this for fun. I enjoy doing it, especially if it's for my kids, my children, my babies. Okay, so you just hold it down for a couple of minutes. I'm just going over the letters slowly because I want it to stay good. Okay. That one should be done. So now I'm just going to peel this off slowly. And there it is. That came out really cute. I like that. You see that, guys? So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, so you just see how easy that came off. So there you go. Look how cute these came out. I really love the way they came out. And I love that they're like a burlap material. That's the material. I was thinking it's kind of thick. I'm not sure if you can see that. But that's it, you guys. These are my Easter baskets. I'm going to show y'all my little Easter baskets, what I did for the kids. It's pretty easy. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.